In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a card view to your Smartsheet. Card view is a really useful way to visualize your work, especially if you're managing tasks, projects, or workflows that move through different stages. Instead of seeing your information in a traditional grid of rows and columns, Card View organizes your items into visual cards that can be grouped and moved between columns, similar to a Kanban board. This can make it much easier to see progress at a glance and quickly update the status of your work. Let's start from a basic Smartsheet that's already open. By default, most sheets open in Grid View, which is the standard spreadsheet style layout. To switch from Grid View to Card View, look towards the top left area of your Smartsheet window. There, you'll see the View control, which will typically display Grid View, if that's what you're currently using. Go ahead and click on the View control where it says Grid View. This will open a drop-down menu with several different ways to look at your sheet. Depending on your setup, you might see options like Grid View, Gantt View, Calendar View, and the one we want, Card View. From this drop-down list, select Card View. As soon as you click it, Smartsheet will automatically transform the way your information is displayed. Instead of rows, you'll now see individual cards, each representing a row from your sheet. These cards can be grouped by a specific column, such as status, priority, or any other drop-down column you've set up for your process. Once you're in Card View, take a moment to look around and familiarize yourself with the layout. Each card typically shows key fields from your sheet, like the task name, assigned person, due date, or status. You can drag cards from one column to another to update their status or stage in your workflow. Any changes you make here are reflected back in the grid view automatically, so you're always working with the same underlying data. If at any point you want to switch back to the traditional spreadsheet layout, just return to the same view control in the top left, click it, and choose Grid View again from the drop-down. And that's all there is to it. By using that simple view menu and selecting Card View, you unlock a much more visual and intuitive way to manage your work in Smartsheet.